Hey Monty, we're at a meat grinder.
Hey,
Why'd you want to go to a meat grinder?
why? No, you told me we're going to Disneyland. This is not Disneyland.
This is sort of like Disneyland. Like, that wheelbarrow could be Splash Mountain. Like your Splash Mountain in the wheel.
No, it's not even, dude. It's not even Splash Mountain anymore. They replaced that with like it's like that one character. Forgot her name. It was the Disney princess.
Like, I'm gonna beat this whole thing. I'm tough. Yeah, I'm tough like that. Nothing can stop me.
Dude, you lied to me.
Ow!
So, question: what Disney ride is this? If this was Disneyland,
Get hit,
get hit. That's
Get hit mountain. Get hit mountain. By meat
not
grinder.
everything is named Mountain. I know there's Big Thunder, but that's a Big Thunder Mountain. But
Thunder.
not...
Lightning in the thunder. Thunder.
Shut up. Shut up.
Lightning in the thunder.
Glamrockfreddy, you're such a cornball.
What? I am not a cornball. Ow! Okay, I don't even know why I'm screaming every time I say ow. Ow!
No. No.
Abuse! Abuse! I just got abused. Ow. And I got abused again. If I didn't have stick drift, this would have been probably way better.
I'm gonna do it.
Yeah, I got chucked. Ah! I got a vending machine chucked at me.
We can do this. It's pretty easy.
Ow!
Uh-oh. Wait, Glamrockfreddy, what if we go at the same time? What if we, like, go together? Like a bunch of duo. Like a duo. Like...
No!
We could call this... We could call this... Glamrockfreddy and the Monty Show. Like, we can work together. We should call this the Glamrockfreddy and Monty Show.
This is already called the Glamrockfreddy and Monty Show. What are you yapping about?
Bro, dude, shut up. It was supposed to be like a cool cinematic line. Like it was supposed to say that, dude, you ruined it. You just ruined it, bro. Bro, it was supposed to be a cinematic line, and then you just said that, bro. You just ruined it.
What?
You weren't supposed to say anything. You were supposed to just go over it. Now you just ruined it.
Ow.
Let's go together. Like Glamrockfreddy and the Monty Show. That's what it should be called. Alright, let's go. That could have killed us.
Help me, Monty. I'm about to get hit by a wheelbarrow. A container, I meant.
Okay, we can do this. I can do this easily. Okay, Glamrockfreddy, we can do this easily. Do you think we can do this?
No! Thank you, Stick Drift.
Okay. Uh-oh. Oh, oh, oh. I'm actually gonna make it. I'm gonna make...
You know what, Monty? I'm
What?
leaving. You can go. You stay here. I'm gonna lock the door. Lock. Anyway, you stay there. I locked the door. You get out of there. I locked the door.
I'm mewing.